Previous vaccine is up on the self-tookable in both kids expects one by OC mushrooms. Like planning to the video will be the description below. Go and check them out. So let's get into this vaccine. 3, 2, 1.
It's snowing. Oh, shiitake mushrooms.
Don't put that on
YouTube!
So what do you kids want for dinner? In and out.
Yeah. I want it since this is my right here. I want McDonald's!
Hey, don't fight, you guys. Don't fight.
You always want
Almost home,
McDonald's.
kids.
Stop, I'll pull your ear.
They're still fighting.
They're still fighting.
Oh my god! What? Oh my god!
Surprise! I got Daddy's got the Christmas decorations up. Look.
They're all decorated for Christmas. Film me! Film me! Film me!
What are you trying to do?
Film me!
Don't do anything crazy. There's a lot of work. Oh, what is he doing?
The snowman's bigger than you, Daddy.
Oh, no. Come on.
Oh, Mickey.
He picks on the smallest one.
Next time, pick up somebody your own size.
Aw, Mickey gets back up again.
Oh, what is Leanna gonna do? I really don't want them running in there. There's a lot of places for them to trip.
Oh, dang it.
Where's London? There's London. Whoa! Hi, London. Whoa! Look at all these inflatables. Whoa!
Wow.
Alright, so here are all the decorations at night. Christmas lights. Hi London, are you looking at the Christmas lights outside? Got the Christmas lights outside there. And you got some of them coming inside the house as well. Look at that. Look at that, that's crazy.
Wow, that's neat.
You say Merry Christmas? Alright, hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another episode. And it's snowing. We're gonna have a white Christmas maybe, I don't know. But yeah, we got our decorations up as you can see. And it looks pretty sweet with the snow, so it's officially here guys, Christmas season. Trying to get the kids loaded up right now in the van. And we gotta take them to school. Alright, so here's a fun YouTube question for you guys today. How many cars have driven down our street since the snow started falling? Go ahead and comment below. Oh, look at all the snow.
3.
Leanna, she's so lucky. Leanna, you get to go to Disneyland with your grandparents today. But not Leland, and not London, and not Carol, and not me.
Season 4 of the Fuller House.
No.
Yeah, I'd rather go to Disneyland.
I'd rather go to Disneyland too.
What rides are you gonna go on, Leanna?
Wonder Mountain.
Wonder Mountain, that's a fun one.
Yeah, and Space Mountain.
Space Mountain.
I love that.
And Splash Mountain.
Oh, and it's all decorated for Christmas right now, so like,
Oh, yeah.
It's a Small World. Looks all cool with the Christmas time.
It's a small world.
And we're stuck in this.
Yep.
Oh.
And Leanna, it's gonna be nice and sunny.
Yeah, if we have extra time, we might go to the beach.
I want to go. I'm going too. I'm gonna hide in your suitcase. No, you just got half a day, Leanna, and then we'll pick you up later.
Bye, love
And then Leland, we'll pick you up even later.
Can I just skip school?
No, you still gotta go to school.
It's freezing out here. Bye.
Have fun. I can see Salt Lake City. See Salt Lake City in the distance. There's the whole valley. Alright, so what are we doing now?
We are going to go get the kids out of school because Leanna's leaving and going to Disneyland.
Wait, you said kids.
Yeah.
Can we just grab Leanna and leave Leland?
You don't want to have to come back in an hour.
Oh, okay. Picking up the kids from school.
Here we are, leaving school. Leanna's just a little bit excited.
Alright, hi. Watch me whip. Now watch me Nana. Watch me whip. Now watch me Nana.
Are you excited?
Yay!
What are you excited for?
My vacation! I can't
Oh, okay.
Leanna's excited.
No.
We don't
Nope.
get to go.
I mean, yes, I'm excited for that. Skip school. I didn't even get to do my mid-chapter check today. Hey guys, it's me, Leanna. I'm super happy to go to Disney because I'll get a vacation from a little troublemaker.
Leland?
Now you can.
Either by noise is Leland.
You went when you were 8, and now it's Leanna's turn to go.
I want to go to
Alright, so we have a little family tradition that my parents, whenever their grandkids turn 8, they take them to Disneyland. They treat them to Disneyland. They took Leland about a year and a half ago, and now it's Leanna's turn. That's why Leanna gets to go to Disneyland today. So she is super excited. I never got to do this when I was a kid. Alright, so we're just waiting for my
chicken
parents to show up and pick up Leanna. Hey, they're here. Look, they're here. It's time to go to Disneyland. They're taking you away. Are you going, London?
Yes, I want to go to Disneyland!
Can you take Leland as well?
Sure!
Hi, Carol.
Well, Leanna, you waited 8 years for this day. And you're finally old enough that your grandparents are willing to take you somewhere.
We had to wait for it to grow up.
Yeah.
You excited?
I went to Disneyland when I was in preschool.
Hi, London.
You've been to Disneyland more than all of us, I think.
No, not me.
A year?
Bye.
Bye. Love you. Have fun.
Bye, London.
Goodbye to London.
She doesn't want a hug.
Okay, give her a hug. You're gonna miss her. Leland, you're gonna miss her.
Give her a hug. Aww.
You're gonna miss her for a few days. There you go.
Take care of London. I'll wake us up.
Oh.
London, are you coming with?
Bye bye, Leanna. Bye. Have fun. Bye, Leanna. No, Leland, you gotta stay here with us. You can't go to
I
Disneyland.
want to go to Disney.
No, you went when you were 8.
Good boy.
You went. You got to go when you
I've
were
been a
8,
good boy. I've been good.
and now it's Leanna's turn.
Say bye-bye. Hey,
Bye.
I'll get your guys' credit card then.
No, hide the credit cards, Carol. You say bye bye. You say bye bye.
Oh, God.
Say bye bye. Bye bye.
Leanna. So we've like collected some of the notes that the elf left us.
Hold on, guys. On what, Daddy?
Like throughout the week. You know, we if you guys haven't seen these videos, check them out. We have several videos of what the elf on the shelf has been doing to us, tormenting us. So while Leland's just sitting around playing on his Xbox, Leanna is flying to Disneyland. There she goes. There she is. Bye, Leanna. Have fun at Disneyland. Alright, well now that Leanna's on her way to Disneyland, we're just hanging out here in the
Disneyland,
house.
yeah.
And it's getting kind of late, so it's bedtime. Hey Leland, turn off the Xbox. It's time for bed.
No.
Yeah, it's time for bed. Come on, Leland. I'm tired. I don't want to mess around. Let's turn that Xbox off. Alright guys, I want to show you something really cool that Uber Eats, what they do now. You can order movie popcorn. That's right, you can get movie popcorn delivered to your home whenever you want. So they just started doing this, Uber Eats and DoorDash. They're gonna get in on it here pretty soon. So I want to try it out for the first time. Hey Leland, look what we have. Leland, look what we have.
What?
You can get movie popcorn delivered.
Why?
Well, we just
Yeah,
for the
why?
heck of it. Just because we can. Because
Like
we
you
live
can.
in America and we can. That's why.
Okay, we can.
Alright, but does it pass the taste test?
Oh, yeah.
Right.
No idea. So do you want to fly a Titan or... Actually, let's go...
Just as good.
Hotel that we're staying at.
Oh, maybe you'll get to go
Leanna.
swimming.
Leanna, hi Leanna. Can you say hi to everyone?
Where's everyone?
He,
Can I say hi to Leland?
yeah, Leland, come here.
He's playing GTA. I don't know if he's gonna want to get off the phone. Hey, Leanna's on the phone. You want to say hi to Leanna? No. Oh, come on. For reals. You gotta go say hi to her.
Hold on.
What are you doing?
Don't turn it off. The mattress.
Okay. Hey, that's not nice.
All right, bye, Leanna.
That wasn't very nice.
I only get to talk to you for like 1 second.
He's not even in here anymore.
You not care about me, do you?
Hey, Leanna, hi.
Hi.
Are you having fun?
Nope. Yep.
That's
To our hotel.
awesome.
I have a whole bed to myself.
Nice.
Cool.
And no babies to wake you up.
All right, Leland, it's time for bed. You're done with another day of GTA 5. It's time for bed now, because it's after 9 o'clock and it's a school night. Oh my gosh. So while Carol was snoring, I think I heard some noise out in the living room. Alright, so it's like the middle of the night. I think I hear some noise. Hope we're not getting a burglar or anything like that. Okay, I don't see anyone. That's weird. Everything looks perfectly normal. What the heck? Oh my god! Destroyed the Xbox! It destroyed the Xbox! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh! Leland! 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 Leland, wake up! Wake up!
What?
The Xbox! The elf! The screwdriver! It's not a good combination! Your Xbox is destroyed!
Oh no, not
Your
that good.
Xbox is destroyed! Cal, the Xbox is destroyed!
Am I dreaming?
No, no, no!
Nope.
Hold on, let me
Look at it. Look at it. Look, that's, oh my gosh, what does that go to? I mean, take a look at it. I'm freaking out right now. Leland's still trying to wake up. Look at it. It completely destroyed the Xbox.
I'm dreaming.
No, this is real. Like, look at.
Yep.
This is what
This
the
is real.
inside
Yep.
of an Xbox looks like, guys. Leland, you're not dreaming. There's no more GTA 5. No! I can't play Minecraft anymore.
Nope.
No!
No, I can't play GTA anymore.
Our lives are ruined. Cuss you out.
I'm gonna beat the crap out of you when I wake up, because it's late and I need to get some rest and beat the crap
Leland
out
needs
of you.
his beauty sleep.
Oh.
I cannot believe this. Look at this. This is where the disc goes. Oh, I think GTA, isn't the GTA disc in there? How do we get it out? How do we get it out? And look, I mean, oh my gosh.
How did he do all this with the
These
freaking-
elves are wicked. These elves are wicked.
How would
Bad elf. Bad. You're grounded.
I need to open this.
How do we open that?
Oh no.
I don't even know. And what does this go to?
afraid-
Can we reassemble this maybe?
Hold up.
Like, where
Wait,
does it
no,
go
look
from there?
at this. It's all dented.
Holy cow, look at there's the fan.
fix
He's
that.
sitting on the fan.
Oh, is
Oh
that
my
to cool his
gosh.
butt down?
Nothing works anymore. Look at that. Look,
Even
where
the
does
spring
this go
is
to?
busted.
Oh,
Wait, I think I
Oh.
might. Wait, this goes to this.
I don't know anymore.
I think.
Oh my gosh. How do we fix an
I'm
Xbox?
trying to get the GTA.
Can this even be
disc out.
fixed?
I'm trying to get the GTA disc out, but it's not really working.
This is awful.
No.
Yep.
This is awful, Leland.
How do I get this? How do I? No. No more GTA.
No more GTA.
The Xbox is no more.
What does this go to?
I don't know.
Oh, so weird.
Oh,
Look at all the.
Look
Look
at
how
this.
big the motherboard is.
look
though.
at this. This is the outside of it. Oh, he just ripped the case. He just ripped the shell right off of it. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Like this was closed like that. And he like ripped it open.
Jeez, are the elves strong?
Apparently they're really strong.
Apparently.
Well,
Yep.
he had that screwdriver he was using. He's using, okay, to add injury to insult, he's using my tools to destroy our electronics. Oh, Leland. Oh. I'm going back to bed. Alright, so there you guys have it. Another crazy day. Oh, it's a night now. Hell, you don't understand. Our Xbox is ruined. Oh. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to subscribe to our crazy channel. And, we have no more Xbox.
Stupid elf!
So,
Ow.
It was up on the sub took apart in both his Xbox One by also took mushrooms. The link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. And drop a like if you like. And comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one. And subscribe if you're new. And click the bell so you know when I upload in a month. Bye.